what do you think about the reports that the UN IPCC puts forward, the scientific reports? Are they something that are, accurate and?
Yeah, so I don't. I looked at it with respect to the things that I'm doing, and one of the things that struck me was that if you look at the effect of the sun over the last 100 years, there is no effect whatsoever. I mean, it is so small that they're saying essentially that there's no effect of changes in solar activity, and that is really a shame in the sense that for instance, we see in the present climate that we've had over the last 50 years, you can see solar cycle variations in the ocean heat content and so on, which we talked about just before. So the solar activity seems to be 10 times larger than what you get from solar irradiance. And the reason that they get such a small effect of the sun is because they are only considering changes in solar irradiance. Which has to do with the solar constant. The solar constant is changing, about 1 per mil. So that is so small that it does not have any effect on climate. However, the changes in clouds, if we take the ideas that I have been working with Nir Shaviv, we would get that over the last century or 120 years, I think at least 1 watt per square meter has entered because of solar activity. So solar activity does not seem to have been completely negligible over the last 100 years.